Now when you have just the x equals a number or y equals a number, they call these special cases in the books. If it's x equals your number, your line ends up going vertical. If you have y equals your number, it ends up going horizontal. What this really means is if you were making a table, all of the x values in my table, or the x values of my points, would have to be -1. The y value doesn't matter what it is. It might be 0, it might be 2, it might be -5. If I plotted those points, -1, 0, -1, 2, and -1, -5, you see you end up with your dots all lined up in a vertical line touching x equals -1 on my x-axis. So do I really go through all that? No. On the ALEKS program, here's what I do. I don't even use the pencil tool. I just take the ruler. X equals -1. I go on my x-axis and click on -1 on the x-axis. Since I know my line has to go vertical, I take that ruler tool and either I go above or below that point so that my ruler is straight up and down. Then I can take the pencil and draw my line. So on number 14, we have the line y equals 3. If it's y equals our number, which way does our line go? Horizontal, right? So on my y-axis, I'm going to mark where 3 is. I know my line has to go horizontally, so either to the left or the right, or both, whichever way you want to mark it. But if you're just using the ruler, you just have to go one or the other, and then you can draw your line. I'm sure you guys already have number 15 drawn. It says y equals 8. So what's on your paper? A horizontal line way up here where y is equal to 8, right?